Hello students. So today's topic is preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagent. Okay. So aldehyde and ketones. So when they react with Grignard reagent, they gives addition product. This addition products on hydrolysis, acidic hydrolysis gives alcohols. Okay. So carbonyl compounds, aldehyde, ketones, acid chloride, esters. Okay, they reacts with Grignard reagent and they forms alcohols. So today's topic is that only. So see here, this is RMgX. This is what? This is our Grignard reagent. It reacts with aldehyde. Here I have taken formaldehyde. Okay, so this formaldehyde, here on this formaldehyde, this carbon is partially positive and this oxygen is partially negative, because oxygen is more electronegative than carbon here. That's why it is partially negative and this carbon is partially positive. Similarly, in our Grignard reagent, this R alkyl group is partially negative and this magnesium metal is partially positive. Okay, so Grignard reagent reacts with formaldehyde. What is this one? Formaldehyde. General name is formaldehyde or IUPAC name is methanol. IUPAC name what it is? Methanol. So here what happens? Uh, this carbon positive charge we have and this is alkyl group negative charge here. So this alkyl group it acts as nucleophile and attacks on this carbon here. Okay. So that's why it is called nucleophilic addition reaction. It is nucleophilic addition reaction. It is because this R minus first attack on this carbon here. Okay, and after that this Mg has a positive charge here. It will act as what here? Electrophile here, and it attacks on this oxygen. Okay, so what product we will get here? This is our H we have here, formaldehyde, C, H, C, on this O, who will come here? MgX here. And this H is as it is, and here who is coming here? R. R is getting added here. So this is a nucleophilic addition reaction. We are getting an addition compound here. This addition compound now undergoes hydrolysis. H3O plus. Hydrolysis means what here? Addition of water. So it gives what? H plus and OH minus ions. But it will not dissociate into H plus and OH minus ion easily. So we are adding some acid here. That's why it is acidic hydrolysis here. So H3O plus we are taking. So here what we have here? H plus and OH minus here. Okay. So this H plus, now still this oxygen is partially negative and this magnesium is partially what here? Positive here. So this H plus it will go with this oxygen and this OH minus it will go with this MgX here. Okay. So we are getting here HC, on this oxygen what will come here? H plus. So we are getting here OH and this H is as it is and this R here we have plus MgOH X plus MgOH here. So this is our product. What is this product? RCH2OH. RCH2OH. This is primary alcohol. What is this one? Primary alcohol. So Grignard reagent whenever reacts with formaldehyde, it gives a primary alcohol. This is key point. Okay, remember this one. Grignard reagent whenever reacts with formaldehyde, it gives primary alcohol. Now example we will take here. Instead of this RCHO, now we will take here CH3MgBr. Okay. So just we are changing this R here, okay, and here X here. So if instead of this RMgX, if we will take here CH3MgBr, okay, methyl magnesium bromide, and here we have taken formaldehyde it is. What is this one? Formaldehyde or methanol it is. So same here, this carbon is positive charge and this oxygen is what here? Negative charge. So this methyl group, it is partially negative, and magnesium is what here? Partially positive here. So this magnesium MgBr, it will go with this oxygen, and this methyl group, it will go with this water carbon here. So we will get here what here? We will get here HCH will remain as it is, OMgBr, and here will come what here? CH3 here. Okay. So on hydrolysis now. On hydrolysis, this H plus will go with the oxygen, and this OH minus will go with what here? MgBr here. So that's why here we will get product water. Instead of our water will come here CH3 here and MgBrOH. So we are getting here product CH3 CH2OH. So this is what here? Ethanol. What is this one? Ethanol. Okay. So this is what? Primary alcohol. What is this one here? Primary alcohol it is. So Grignard reagent, whenever reacts with formaldehyde, it gives primary alcohol. Now we are going to see for if this Grignard reagent reacts with other aldehydes. We have taken here formaldehyde. Now we will take the other aldehyde. Like if you take here CH3 C double bond OH here. What is this one? This is ethanol. Sorry, ethanol. AL it will come. Okay, ethanol it is. Now in this carbon is partially positive charge. Okay, and this carbon is partially negative charge. Mg is partially positive. Oxygen is partially negative. The procedure is same only here. Okay. So this alkyl group is what here? Nucleophile it is, and Mg plus is what here? Electrophile. But first who is attacking? Nucleophile. That's why this is a nucleophilic addition reaction it is. So this CH3 minus, first it will attack on this carbon here, and this MgMbr it will go with this oxygen here. So what product we will get here? This is our CH3CO MgBr. Okay, H we have here, and here we will get this CH3 will get add here. Addition product we are getting here. Okay. Now this one on hydrolysis, acidic hydrolysis, H3O plus, or sometimes it is H2O in the presence of H plus, like this. Both are correct only here. So we are getting what here? Now this H plus it will go with water. This H plus will go with this oxygen. Okay, and OH minus it will go with this MgBr here. Okay, so this MgBr. So we are getting product here CH3 COH H CH3 plus MgOH Br. Okay, so here CH3 CH CH3. If I write like this way, CH3 CH CH3 and here OH. So we are getting this alcohol. What is this alcohol name? This is 2-propanol. 2-propanol. So it is a secondary alcohol. We are getting what here? Secondary alcohol. So Grignard reagent, when they reacts with except formaldehyde any other aldehyde, they gives a secondary alcohol. Okay. So this point is important. Grignard reagent reacts with acetaldehyde or ethanol, propanol, butanol, any other aldehyde, they give secondary alcohol here. Okay. Now next, if this Grignard reagent reacts with acetone. Now we have seen aldehydes, formaldehyde and any other aldehyde they will give. Formaldehyde gives primary alcohol and any other aldehyde they will give what? Secondary alcohol. Now if you take here acetone here, CH3 C double bond O CH3. What is this one? This is acetone. Ketone it is. This is acetone. Okay. In the presence of here dry ether. In the presence of here what here? Ether. Okay. Now here this methyl group is what here? Partially negative. This is partially positive. this carbon is what here partially positive and this oxygen is what here partially negative here. Okay, so what will happen here, this methyl group will attack on this carbon and this oxygen it will this MgBr it will go with this water oxygen here. So we will get what product here, this is our CH3, okay, and right here can you see, yes, so this is CH3 CO MgBr here and here we have what, CH3. Now this CH3 of MgBr it will go and add here to this carbon here, so it is CH3, we are getting an addition product here. Okay, so now this one on hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means H plus and OH minus we are going to add here. Okay, so H plus will go with this oxygen and OH minus it will go with this what here, MgBr here. So we will get what here, CH3 C OH CH3 CH3 plus what, plus MgBr OH. Okay, so plus we are getting MgBr OH here. So here we are getting tertiary alcohol. See here, CH3 COH CH3 and CH3. What is this one? This is a tertiary alcohol here. Okay, so if we want to write the name here, what is its name here? 2-methyl 2-propanol. 2-methyl 2-propanol or propane 2-ol, both are correct only. Okay, so 2-methyl 2-propanol or 2-methyl propane 2-ol it is. So this is a tertiary alcohol. This is what, tertiary alcohol here. So Grignard reagent when reacts with ketones, they gives tertiary alcohol. Okay, the method is same only here. Only we will get the different products. Formaldehyde it gives primary alcohol and other aldehydes they give secondary alcohol and ketones they gives tertiary alcohol. Okay. Now still see, when Grignard reagent when reacts with acid chloride and ester, it also gives aldehydes and ketones. Okay, but this one not there in NCERT textbook. This is for competitive exam. For theory, from Grignard reagent, the preparation of alcohols we have only these three. What I have explained just now. Okay, for formaldehyde and for any other aldehyde and ketones here. Now this one it is only for competitive exam. For theory exam, that three method is only enough here. Okay. Now see here, this Grignard reagent, this CH3MgBr, when reacts with, I'll start from here, where we will take place. This is CH3MgBr. Here we can take Br or plus water. Now I am taking here acid chloride here. CH3 C double bond O Cl. Okay, acetyl chloride it is. In this carbon is partially negative, this carbon is partially, this magnesium is partially positive. Now here this carbon is partially positive and this oxygen is partially negative. But in this case, okay, here oxygen is also electronegative, this chlorine is also electronegative here. In this case, what will happen? This methyl group, it will go and attach to this carbon here, okay. But at the same time, this chlorine will leave from here. This chlorine will leave from here. This reaction is in the presence of ether only, okay. So this here it will go with this MgBr, okay. This alkyl group, methyl group will go and add here to this carbon here. At the same time, this chlorine will leave from here. Chlorine will leave from here. So what we are getting product here? This is CH3, okay, and C. This double bond will remain as it is here, O here, and this CH3 will add here on this carbon here. Plus what? Mg and this Br and this Cl. So this Cl it will go with this Mg here. So it is what? CH3 Mg, MgBr Cl we will get. What we got here? We got here acetone. So this acetone it will further react with CH3 MgBr here. One more molecule of Grignard reagent CH3 MgBr here now. Now from here we know it, how we have seen for acetone here. This carbon is partially positive, this oxygen is partially negative here. So that's why this methyl group, it is partially negative, magnesium is partially positive here. So that's why this methyl group will go with this carbon, magnesium will go with this oxygen here. So we will get what here? We will get here CH3COMgBr here, and here we have a CH3 as it is. This CH3 it will come here, okay, and now this one plus this one on hydrolysis. This one undergoes what here? Hydrolysis, and we will get here CH3COH, and here CH3, and here we have CH3. So we are getting what here? Tertiary alcohol. What we are getting here? Tertiary alcohol. Same it is 2-methyl propane 2-ol. What is this name? 2-methyl propane 2-ol. What we are getting for ketone, the same we are getting here. Okay. So here we need 2 molecules of Grignard reagent to get the tertiary alcohols. So Grignard reagent, when reacts with this acid chloride, we need 2 molecules of this Grignard reagent here. Okay. So here first we will get this one acetone, and which on further reacts with this CH3MgBr, it gives an addition product, which on hydrolysis give what here? Tertiary alcohol. Now similarly it is for if we will take here ester. This one I have taken acetyl chloride. Now instead of this acetyl chloride, if we will take here ester, okay, so any ester if we will take, what we will get? We will get here alcohol only here. Same it is, same like acid chloride only here. The mechanism or procedure is same only here. So here I have taken here CH3, C double bond O, OCH3. What is this one? Methyl acetate. This is an ester, methyl acetate. Okay, this is reacting with what? A Grignard reagent in the presence of ether here. Now here this CH3 minus, okay, nucleophile will attack on this carbon. This C double bond O, this is a carbonyl carbon here, okay, C double bond O. So in this carbon is partially positive, this oxygen is partially negative here. This OCH3, it is a leaving group. OCH3 is what here? A leaving group. Remember here this Cl minus, Br minus, OH minus, and here we have OCH3. These are good leaving group. These are good leaving group, Lg. Okay. So this OH3 will leave from here. In previous case we have seen Cl will leave. Here OCH3 will leave, and it will go with what here? MgBr here. Okay. So we will get here product CH3. This C double bond will remain as it is, plus, okay, OCH3 will go from here, and what will come here? This CH3 will come here on this carbon here. Okay. So here CH3 we have here, plus what? MgBrOCH3. This one we will get. Now this acetone, again it will react with one more molecule of CH3MgBr here. And so what? Here this CH3 it will attack on what? This carbon. Okay, on this oxygen it will come here, this MgBr here. Okay, so we will get here CH3COMgBr, CH3, and this CH3 will come here. This is on hydrolysis, it will give what? On hydrolysis it gives CH3COH, CH3, and here CH3. Again we are getting a tertiary alcohol. What we will get here? Tertiary alcohol. Okay. So this Grignard reagent, when reacts with ester, it gives tertiary alcohol. But we need 2 molecules of Grignard reagent. Then we will get a tertiary alcohol. In first step we will get the acetone here. Okay. And this acetone again further reacts with one more of this Grignard reagent. It gives addition product, which on hydrolysis gives here tertiary alcohol. Okay. Now, so 2 methods we have, 4 methods we have seen now till now. Formaldehyde, then acetaldehyde, again then acetone, and then with acetyl chloride, and next last one is what here? Ester. One more is there, ethylene oxide. Okay, ethylene oxide. This Grignard reagent when reacts with ethylene oxide is this one, CH2O. Epoxide it is, okay, ethylene oxide. So this ethylene oxide, this oxygen is partially negative, this carbon is partially positive here, okay. And we have our CH3MgBr, Grignard reagent, in the presence of ether it is. So what will happen here? This methyl group is partially negative, this magnesium is partially positive here. So this methyl, this nucleophile, it will come and attack to where here? To this carbon here. And on this oxygen who will come? This MgBr here. So we will get here CH3, CH2, okay, and with this oxygen MgBr, OMgBr, and addition product we will get here, okay. And this addition products on hydrolysis, H3O plus, it gives what? CH3, CH2, OH plus MgBrOH. So in this case we are getting a primary alcohol. What is this one? It is 1-propanol. 1-propanol. So we will get here primary alcohol here. So these are the methods for the preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagent. So in this we can say here, see here, these are the key points, please note down it is. So formaldehyde, what is this one? HCHO plus RMgX. It gives what here? It gives a primary alcohol. Second here, if this any other acetaldehyde, or if I write here RCHO, any other aldehyde, R means any other aldehyde we can take here, plus RMgX. So here we are getting secondary alcohol. And if Grignard reagent reacts with acetone, if it reacts with acetone here, it gives what here? Tertiary alcohol. And fourth one, this Grignard reagent, if reacts with acid chloride, RCOCl, or what here? Ester. R C double bond O R dash here. Ester. It gives water. We need how much here? 2 moles of MgX. 2 moles of Grignard reagent we need here, and we will get here what here? Tertiary alcohol. So these are the key point for the preparation of alcohols. For competitive exams, you have to remember these points here. Please note down this one. Now next we will see how they will ask question based on this Grignard reagent. Okay. So see here. Okay, question now based on this topic. First question, ethylene oxide when treated with Grignard reagent yields what? Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, cyclopropyl alcohol. So we will get what answer here? Ethylene oxide, it gives what? A primary alcohol. Okay, CH2O. So this first A is the correct answer here. I think so in key point I have missed this one. Please write that also. Ethylene oxide when treated with Grignard reagent, it also always gives you primary alcohol. Okay. Next question here. This is CH3, CH2, C, CH3, PH here. Phenyl group is attached here. OH here. Cannot be prepared. We are asking. This is 2019 JEE main question. Okay. So what here given? What is this one? Which type of alcohol it is? This is a tertiary alcohol. This carbon, it is bonded with other 3 carbon here. Phenyl group means carbon only here. So this is a tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol when we'll get when the Grignard reagent reacts with acetone. Reacts with what? Acetone. Okay. So option C here. So they are there. Cannot be prepared by. Cannot be prepared by what? First is this is acetone. What is this one? Butanol. CH3CH2. Butanol plus pH MgBr here. So yes, they will give the primary. This product we will get here. Okay. So again, this is PHCOCH3 here. This is also acetone and this is Grignard reagent. Yes, they can give the product. Again here, this is acetone here, PHCO, phenyl group, C double bond O, and CH2CH3. This is also acetone here, and they reacts with Grignard reagent and gives here product here. Now D option C here, formaldehyde they have given here, and it is our Grignard reagent. No need to do the reaction only. If you know the concept clearly, you will get here formaldehyde. It gives primary alcohol. But here in answer we have here what a tertiary alcohol. OH is attached to this one. So it is a tertiary alcohol. So formaldehyde gives primary alcohol always. So it cannot prepared this product here. So no need to do the reactions also. Okay. So what I gave that one, that those are key point of this Grignard reagent method. Okay. So this is all about the preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagent. Thank you so much for watching.